From space, Earth appears whole and perfect, yet an invisible fracture is forming between its hemispheres. One half of the planet is warming faster, glowing with trapped heat the other side does not share. Orbiting satellites scan the globe, revealing a growing imbalance in Earth's energy system. For decades, sunlight reflected almost evenly across north and south, maintaining planetary balance. But now, melting Arctic ice allows more sunlight to be absorbed instead of reflected. Even as pollution decreases and skies grow clearer, the planet absorbs increasing amounts of heat. Scientists call this change in reflectivity planetary albedo, Earth's natural mirror to space. Vast Greenland ice sheets once reflected powerful sunlight back into the cosmos. Antarctica still shines brightly, but the symmetry between hemispheres is fading. In the south, oceans shimmer as sunlight dances across their surface. Meanwhile, the Northern Hemisphere traps more solar radiation than ever before. As icebergs collapse, dark ocean waters absorb heat in their place. Across northern lands, shrinking lakes signal rising surface temperatures. Forests once lush and green now fade under persistent thermal stress. Frozen tundra softens as ancient permafrost begins to thaw. Cities glow intensely at night, holding the warmth absorbed during the day. Even particles in the air can influence how much sunlight escapes. More incoming sunlight now remains trapped within the northern atmosphere. Year after year, reflective ice diminishes under accelerating warmth. From orbit, heat waves ripple visibly across the northern hemisphere. This imbalance disrupts jet streams that regulate global weather. Warmer oceans generate stronger, more destructive hurricanes. Superheated air fuels violent tornado outbreaks. Rising waters overwhelm cities unprepared for rapid climate shifts. Dry landscapes ignite into uncontrollable wildfires. Excess northern heat intensifies storm formation worldwide. Ocean currents begin shifting under rising thermal pressure. Glaciers collapse, accelerating sea level rise. Wildlife struggles as their icy habitats disappear. Heat stress weakens forests, reducing their ability to store carbon. Storm systems grow more chaotic year after year. Coastal regions face repeated flooding events. Desertification spreads across once fertile terrain. Rivers dry under relentless drought cycles. Urban centers radiate accumulated daytime heat. Powerful storms gather strength over overheated seas. Communities struggle against relentless floodwaters. Flames move faster through drought-stricken forests. Melting ice drifts away from warming polar regions. From space, the Northern Hemisphere shines warmer than its southern counterpart. Satellites continuously measure Earth's incoming and outgoing energy. They document glaciers retreating at accelerating speeds. Ecosystems at the poles reveal the cost of imbalance. Thermal imaging exposes hotspots across global oceans. Northern forests show measurable increases in surface temperature. Data confirms the North now absorbs more sunlight than it reflects. Massive ice shelves fracture under prolonged exposure to heat. Cracks spread rapidly across Arctic ice sheets. Plant life slowly migrates toward cooler climates. The South remains colder, but the imbalance persists. Climate scientists analyze complex data models for answers. Measurements reveal a growing global energy asymmetry. Entire ice sheets show signs of structural instability. Energy accumulation intensifies over the Northern Hemisphere. The scientific evidence is increasingly clear and consistent.
Look at the corresponding spike in the carbon data here. We need to cross-reference the historical models immediately.
If trends continue, planetary systems may shift dramatically. Rising seas threaten major coastal populations. Agriculture struggles under prolonged drought conditions. Deserts expand into once productive landscapes. Stronger storms loom over overheated waters. Wildfires become a recurring seasonal disaster. Ice loss accelerates beyond earlier climate predictions. Extreme weather grows more frequent worldwide. Heat accumulation in the north intensifies decade by decade. One hemisphere now holds significantly more energy than the other. From orbit, the imbalance is impossible to ignore. The warming trend accelerates with each passing decade. Storms, fires, and melting ice tell the same story. Earth's natural mirror is no longer symmetrical. The question is no longer if balance will shift, but how fast.